When I started with DAOs, one thing which always made me super uncomfortable was the process of getting started. The plethora of channels on Discord with thousands of members and hundreds of links floating around, keeping up is always a big pain. I'm sure if you have tried to join a DAO, you must have drowned yourself in a similar sea of information. So let's discuss today if there was supposed to be an ideal DAO onboarding, what it should look like. From our experience of talking to over 500 community operators, we have conceptualized a flow which constitutes the ideal DAO onboarding, and let me share that with you. In a nutshell, it would have three components: understanding your new joiners, mapping your new joiners to their role, guiding them through the DAO. Let's talk about each of these one by one. In the first part, where you wish to understand your users, try to learn from them their interest, skills, experience, provide them a list of different things your community is working upon or wish to work upon, and let them choose what makes most sense to them. This would help you to decide how effectively they can contribute to your organization. And here comes the second part, where you should map your users to different places in your community. You can assign them roles, and if you are active on Discord, then maybe open different channels for your users in your community. Now, if you think about it, mapping roles can be very interesting. You can decide upon the way you wish to assign roles to new members in your community. For example, for someone who wishes to join your community as a developer, you might want to get a validation of their past experiences. While maybe for the folks interested in marketing, you might want to check their skill set by putting them on a real test. For few folks who wish to join your community as investors, you might want to ensure that they are invested in your community by having enough DAO tokens or specific NFTs with them, while for many other folks, you might just want to remove any gatekeeping and let them enter to just look around and lurk around in your community. Lastly, once you have decided how different roles in your community should get assigned, then you would want to inform your users about your DAO operations. Inform them about how and from where they can access different resources of your community. Talk to them about the open opportunities and the compensation they can expect. If you have a defined compensation structure, tell them how users can grow in your community. Tell them about the different tools you use in your DAO. If some tools are very specific to your community, then providing your users a place from where they can learn to use those tools can be very helpful. Inform your users about the good practices for your community, like dropping a GM in the community chats or adding a time zone to their profile names. Remember to discuss where your community catches up and when those regular online-offline meetups takes place. Lastly, be clear in mentioning the do's and don'ts of your community, so every user is aware of your community guidelines. So a good onboarding in the space of global organizations is successful if your new joiners get personalized context about your community as they take the first step towards it. Luckily, there are tools which can help you approach the similar solutions in a guided and a seamless fashion. For instance, at DaoLens, we have an onboarding builder which can help you configure onboarding for your community in a fashion which is best in class, while your end users get most warm and delightful walkthrough about your awesome community. For more information, check out DaoLens.com. See you soon.